Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET Principles of Inheritance and Variations with Crossing Over and Chromosomal Maps. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the mechanism of crossing over with chromosomal mapping. According to T.H. Morgan, genes are present on the same chromosome shows linkage is nothing but physical association in between genes present on same chromosome. The recombination or new combinations are produced by a process called crossing over. In this crossing over, it is the tendency of genes to stay apart and inherit separately when the cell produces gametes at the time of sexual reproduction. The crossing over is the process of exchange of chromosomal segments between non-sister chromatids during the production of gametes. Especially, the crossing over is a separation of linked genes. The process which produce recombinations or new combinations of genes as a result of interchange of corresponding segment between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. Crossing over, generally it occurs in substage of prophase 1 of meiosis in Pachytene stage, but it is visible in diploidine stage only. The homologous chromosomes are randomly distributed to daughter cells and different chromosomes segregates independently of each other. During the formation of gametes like egg and sperm cells, also known as meiosis, paired chromosomes from each parent align so that similar DNA sequence from the paired chromosomes crossing over on another. The crossing over is essential for the normal segregation of chromosomes during meiosis division, especially the crossing over also accounts for genetic variations because of due to a swapping of genetic material during crossing over. The chromatids held together by the centromere are no longer identical at the time of meiosis division. The crossing over, it is directly proportional to distance between the linked genes on chromosomes. More the distance between genes on the chromosome, more will be the chances of crossing over. There is an equal chance of crossing over at any point along the chromosome. After crossing over occur, the homologous chromosomes separate to form two daughter cells. Especially these cells go through meiosis II, during which the sister chromatids separates. In the end of there are four possible type of gametes are produced. It result in the formation of meiosis division. The effect of crossing over is the alleles on parental chromosomes so that the gametes carry combinations of genes different from either of parents so that new combinations will be expressed. In recombination, the genetic material is exchanged in between different homologous chromosomes, which leads to the production of offsprings with the combination of new traits. The crossing over, it allows the alleles on DNA molecule to change the position from one homologous chromosome segment to another. Especially the genetic recombination is responsible for genetic diversity in a species or population. Without crossing over, each chromosome would be either maternal or paternal, greatly reducing the number of possible genetic combination, which would greatly reduce the amount of genetic variation between related individuals and within a species, so that there is no chance to express new combinations or new characters without crossing over. The significance of crossing over. The crossing over, it provides a strong proof in favor of linear arrangement of genes on the chromosomes. The distance between the genes can be written as percentage or as a map units. The genes for body color and wing size are 17 map units apart in Drosophila. So that in Drosophila, the body color, eye color and wing size, thus these three genes are present on chromosome in linear manner. It is due to arrangement of alleles or genes on chromosomes. Especially there is a 17 map units in between body color and wing size, so that 17 percentage of distance is there in between body color and eye color. 8%, eye color and wing size 9% is there. The linkage maps are constructed due to crossing over. Especially the gene linkage maps are constructed using crossing over frequencies, so that it helps to construct a map to represent the distance between genes. The recombination frequency or crossing over frequency are directly proportional to distance in between genes. These values are used in formation of linkage maps by Sturtevant in Drosophila. The recombination between linked genes can be used to map their distance apart on the chromosome. Especially the unit of mapping is a 1 mu is defined as recombinant frequency of 1%. So mu represents Morgan units. This allows for genetic diversity, which will help cells to participate in survival of the fitness and helps in evolution. The crossing over frequency of each of the gene on the chart construct a chromosomal map. At this time, the recombination frequency or crossing over frequency or percentage of non-parental combinations can be calculated by using a formula. It is the number of individuals showing recombination by total number of offsprings into 100. It is the formula helps to calculate the recombination frequency or crossing over frequency in living cell. The first chromosomal map, it was prepared by A.H. Sturtevant. Chromosomal maps are constructed based on two genetic principles. In this, the first one is the genes are arranged in a linear order in the structure of chromosomes. The frequency of crossing over or recombination between two linked genes is directly proportional to the physical distance in between two genes. Along with that, a map unit, it is the unit to calculate the distance in between genes present on chromosome. This map unit is equal to 1% of recombination between two genes. It is called centimorgan. 1 unit of map distance, that is centimorgan, is equal to 1% of crossing over. When chiasma is organized in between two gene loci, only 50% of meiotic products are crossing over and 50% non-crossing over combinations will be expressed. So given the crossing over frequency of each of the gene on chart, it helps to construct chromosomal map. By taking one example, here in this problematic question, the distance between, especially the frequency of crossing over in between A and C gene is represented with 30%. The frequency of crossing over in between B and C is equal to 45%, and frequency of crossing over between B and D gene is 40%, and finally there is a 25% of frequency of crossing over in between A, D genes. So based on this percentage or crossing over frequency, we can arrange the genes present on a chromosome. So first we have to take the highest percentage. There is a 45% frequency of crossing over is there in between B and C. So that first we have to arrange both B and C with 45%. For example, it is the B gene, it is the C gene having 45% frequency of crossing over. The second thing, the next percentage is 40% is there in between B and D genes. So that here the B gene is there with a 40%, D gene is arranged. The next one is 30%. There is a 30% of frequency of crossing over in between A and C genes. Now it is a 30%, and finally the lowest percentage is there in between A and D gene. It is equal to 25%. So based on this frequency of crossing over, it helps to arrange the genes present on one chromosome. So based on this percentage, the arrangement of genes on chromosome is B, A, D and C. In this way, the chromosomal maps are constructed by Sturtevant scientists. In this, 1% of frequency of crossing over is equal to 1 map unit, so that there is 15 map units in between B and A gene, 25 map units in between A and D gene, and 5 map units in between D and C gene, and in this way the distance can be calculated with the easy method developed by Sturtevant. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, click on bell icon to get notifications, like and share my videos to your students and friends.